Oh yeah, it is Friday night. We're here in Garden Grove. It is the historic Main Street Car Show hosted by Diane Bain and Rod Sexton. You've got PC on your TV and we are rolling. All right guys, I'm gonna do a fast walk on the smooth here at Garden Grove. Oh yeah, off we go. Fast walk with the smooth. Let's see how this thing does. Just gonna go for it, man. Rolling on through, fast, fast, fast. Giving the brother a bump. What's up? We're doing a fast walk. This is the fast walk. Just rolling through Main Street. Hello, how are you? All right, doing the fast walk, guys, doing the fast walk. We're gonna roll all the way through the show. I'm gonna walk right down the middle of the gutter here. I keep running into this guy. Fast walk in. Whoa, see, it diverts you. As soon as it sees Embo, it turns. It's like, oh God. Stop that. Oh, you're getting all weird on me. Okay, well, my fast walk's starting to come apart on me already. That's all right. We'll get this thing to work right one of these days. All right. Fast, fast, fast. All right, fast walk through, fast walk through. Right, this is the quick walk through. Too bad I can't do the roll in like I used to, because I got to work for a living. But you get a couple cars in here and there. Okay, guys, that is the walk. Just doing the fast walk through. And we got ourselves a nice Chevelle right here.